Good morning. You're welcome to Morning Dew with Ezekiel Adebrown Adebare. We hope you are all blessed with all our previous teaching and messages. Brethren, today we want to be discussing, a very important spiritual breakfast diet. Title or theme, Connecting with God. I understand and I'm very sure that we are living in a world and we are living in a time and a generation where things work very fast and people depend, more on their wisdom and intelligence and discerning, the place and position of God. If you're not sensitive, it will be very difficult for you to find the ground that God is holding. But as you are rising up this morning, I trust that God has given you another new privilege to see a new day. One of those things that you need, to begin your day with is to connect yourself back to God, because God is the only person and is the only Father, that know the things from the end and bring it to the beginning. That is the day that you are starting today. God have already seen, it to the end. Let me quickly show you what the book of Proverbs chapter number 3 verse 5 and 6 have for us this morning. It says, trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not unto your own understanding. It says, in all thy ways acknowledge him and he shall direct your path. Every great man and great woman that are starting, their new day, need a godly direction towards their path. So how can you connect with God? When you are rising up from your bed in the morning, the first thing you ought to do, just the same way you are having your Android phone or iOS phone without internet, I am very sure that it will deprive the phone of many functions. Same thing as a human being. When you are standing up or arising from your bed, the first thing you need to do is that connect your soul back to God by praying unto him. Number two, by worshiping and adoring him, and by committing the new day into his hands and surrender everything for him to lead you. When you connect back to him, he is going to usher your step and guide you on the right path. And at the long run, you will experience a blissful day. So as you are listening, hearing me, brethren, connect yourself back to God so you can become, a productive and a resourceful, fellow as you begin your day today. God bless you. God loves you. Please kindly share this teaching, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also like our page. I love you so much, and I'm wishing you a blissful day and a resourceful day. Bye for now and remain blessed. See you next week, Monday, by God's grace. Bye.